The Ringling Museum in Sarasota, Florida is a home to an amazing collection of miniatures known as the Howard Bros Circus Model. The incredible exhibit is one of the world's largest miniature circus, spanning over 3,800 square feet. It was meticulously created by Howard Dibbles and showcased life in a traveling circus from the 1920s to 1930s, down to the smallest details. You will find tiny figures of performers, animals, vegans, tents, and even the audience. The model includes over 42,000 pieces, each handcrafted to give an authentic look at how circus operated in their golden era.